Task number 7, real-time system analysis. To gather more advanced system information, especially concerning dynamic aspects like running processes, services, and active network connections, we can leverage a set of CMDLETs that go beyond static machine details. Get process provides a detailed view of all current running processes, including CPU and memory usage, making it a powerful tool for monitoring and troubleshooting. Here we see an example of using this command, and we see, as you can see, the processes running. Similarly, get service allows the retrieval of information about the status of services on the machine, such as which services are running, stopped, or paused. It is used extensively in troubleshooting by system administrators, but also by forensics analysts hunting for anomalous services installed on the system. Get services and boom, there you go. To monitor active network connections, get net TCP connection displays current TCP connections, giving insights into both local and remote endpoints. This CMDLET is particularly handy during an incident response or a malware analyst task, as it can uncover hidden backdoors or establish connections towards an attacker-controlled server. Boom, there you go. By using get net TCP connection, you can actually see everything that is listening, established, or just waiting. Additionally, we are going to mention get file hash as a useful CMDLET for generating file hashes, which is particularly valuable in incident response, threat hunting, and malware analysis, as it helps verify the file integrity and detect potential tampering. And here we can see get file hash for ship flag. Basically, we can check the integrity of this text file by reviewing the hash. These CMDLETs collectively provide a comprehensive set of tools for real-time system monitoring and analysis, proving especially useful for incident responders and threat hunters. Answer the questions below. In the previous task, you found a marvelous treasure carefully hidden in the target machine. What is the hash of the file that contains it? There we have it. What property retrieved by default by get, okay, contains information about the process that has started the connection. Well, it's owning process because we have the ID, but then I don't see it in our listening. Actually, we see it now. Owning process. Now, if we use this one and we say here 3332, there you go. All right, cool. It's time for another small challenge. Some vital service has been installed on the pirate ship to guarantee that the captain can always navigate safely. But something isn't working as expected, and the captain wonders why. Investigating, they find out that at least the service has been tampered with. The shady lad from before was modified a service display name to reflect his very own motto, the same that he puts in his user description. With this information and the PowerShell knowledge you have built so far, can you find the service name? Let me see, where is status include get service and name, computer name, include required service common. I will say detailed. Let's go for get. I'll say detailed. I want to filter by sort object status. All right. Like this. Get service. What if we say here running? Yes, it's not. This one will give me. All right, so I guess we can check here. So running processes. Pirates, Compass, Mary Life, and a short one. That's it.